your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So, we talked about the thunderstorms and the lightning and all of that. And the other thing to mention is the heat index, which is going to be high again today as well. So, clearly, we live in Florida in the summer. We often have heat indexes of 100, and we'll be there again today. So, stay hydrated, make sure you get plenty of breaks in the shade. If you're at the beach, the UV index is going to be high enough to burn you, too, if you're not wearing a sunscreen. So, all those things all added together, going to be a lot of people getting some beach time today that haven't gotten beach time in a while. So, just take it easy out there. 88 degrees current air temperature, heat index already at 95, well on the way to 100 today. We have calm winds and a dew point value coming in at 72. So here's what I think is going to happen. As we head into around the 3 o'clock hour, we're going to see some pretty big storms beginning to build in inland areas. Frequent lightning, maybe some of the storms producing just torrential downpours of rain. I'll put the rain chance at 50%, might even be higher than that. And then as we head into the 7 p.m. period, we'll start to see some of those storms back building closer to the coastline. And there'll still be some pretty strong storms around. Multiple lightning strikes, some downpours of rain, perhaps some small hail, all those kinds of things, gusty winds as well. Then we'll start to see, as the sun sets and the storms kind of blanket the area and lay down a nice cooler layer of air, we'll start to see some of those storms begin to decrease in intensity. And as we head into probably 8, 9, 10 o'clock hours, we'll see only a few storms left. So it's really not the fireworks display that I'm concerned about. It's that time leading up to it when I think we'll probably see the biggest of the thunderstorms around. Right now, you can really make out that area of low pressure kind of spinning around down there. We've got a few storms starting to build up in inland areas already, so we're well on the way. Clearly well-defined area of circulation out here at upper levels and mid-levels of the atmosphere moving on in. And oh, by the way, we've got 2 spots in the tropics that we're watching as well. One far off, giving a small chance of developing as colder waters down here. And then this one has an excellent chance of developing at least into a tropical depression over the next few days. But even if it did, it wouldn't impact our weather all that much. But we'll keep an eye on it and watch it. Watching the showers build along that easterly breeze, a trough of low pressure added to it. All of those things team up with an easterly wind to push those storms back toward our coast, which will be the favored coast for some of these stronger storms. It's going to be an active afternoon, I think, later afternoon. So we'll call it a first alert weather day. Now for boaters, it'll be all right for the next couple hours, I think. East wind coming in at about 5 to 10, but as we head into the evening, we'll watch some of those storms move out into Gulf waters. So just take it easy. 91 for today. Tomorrow, 91, 50% chance of storms. We'll call this a first alert weather day, though today's weather and tomorrow's weather will be similar. I think this is going to impact a whole lot more people today, obviously. So remember, when the thunder roars, go indoors. And then over the next several days, we'll watch the wind pattern reverse, turning more to a westerly wind, which, as we know, favors those morning showers near the coast, pushing those showers inland, leaving the coastal regions kind of high and dry during the maximum heating of the day. And rain showers continue on into next work week. Scott?